Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning everyone. Thanks for coming. My name is Ulfa. I'm from AK23A class accounting study program Saputra University. Today, I'd like to tell you about analysis of underpayment, tax decision, letter tax bill, and value-added tax. Okay, in the first slide, I will explain the definition of an underpayment tax assessment letter. Tax assessment letter that determines the amount of underpayment of tax principal, the amount of tax credit, the amount of underpayment of tax principal, the amount of administrative sanction, and the amount of tax accrued. The second slide has destination. This study aims to test whether there is an influence between the independent variable, registered taxable person for PPN purpose SSP periodic underpayment tax return, STP and SPKB, on the dependent variable PPN revenue, both partial and simulation testing. The third slide has a method. Method selection, sample selection, method wins. Usage is purpose. Sampling so that sample taken based on a criteria. The fourth slide has legal implication of SKPKB. Number 1, fitness and witness. Number 2, asset confiscation. Number 3, lawsuit. And number 4, disconnection of service or licenses. The slide 5 has tax bill letter or STP. Tax bill letter STP is a letter to collect tax and administrative sanction in the form of interest or fitness and serves as a correction tax payable, a means of imposing sanction on taxpayer and a means of collection tax. The slide 6 has tax invoice payment letter or STP. A tax bill payment invoice is a document issued by the tax authority to the expayer to notify the amount of tax to be paid. Sales tax invoice, income tax invoice, motor vehicle the invoice, value-added tax invoice, land and building tax invoice, and stamp duty tax invoice. The slide 7 has value-added tax or PPN. Value-added tax is a levy imposed on the sale and purchase of goods and services carried out by individual corporate taxpayer and the government. This tax is not deposited directly into the state treasury by the body or individual who pay the tax by entrepreneurs or companies that have been converted as PKP. The slide 8 has value-added tax rate PPN. PPN rate according to the Harmonization Taxation (HPP) law. In Chapter 4, Article 7, Paragraph 1 is as follows. The VAT value-added tax rate is 11%. PPN rate of 0% is applied to export of tangible taxable good, export of intangible taxable good, export of taxable service. Tax rate as referenced to in the paragraph 1 may change up to minimum of 5% and a maximum of 15 has regulation by government regulation together with DPR and APBN fund. The slide 9 has object value-added tax. Article 4 paragraph 1 letter A and C provision of taxable goods BKP and taxable service within the custom area construction by a company. Article 4 paragraph 1 letter D utilization of tangible taxable good BKP from outside the custom area within the custom area. Article 4 paragraph 1 letter B taxable import. Article 4 paragraph 1 letter E utilization of taxable service from outside the custom area within the custom area. Article 4 Paragraph 2, letter G. Hey, E. Export the obtainable or intangible taxable goods and export of JKP by PKB. And the last slide is the conclusion. The analysis of tax underpayment assessment letter, tax bill letter, and value-added tax is critical to understanding tax obligation, proper calculation, and ensuring compliance with applicable tax rules. As PKB helps taxpayer understanding the differences between the amount that should have been paid has been paid, as well as providing information on any penalties or late interest that might be imposed and payment deadlines to avoid further consequences. It is important to emphasize the importance of consulting with the tax experts or relevant authorities to ensure an accurate understanding and take appropriate steps in purpose to tax underpayment assessment letter, tax bill letter, and value-added tax. Maybe that all I can explain helpful. It's as full. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.